Tell me where you been? Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka 00 Styles, and welcome back. Today we'll be doing a sensational pixie cut. I have an interview tomorrow at this fancy restaurant. I decided tomorrow for that interview I will be wearing a pixie. So let's see if this pixie wig will do me justice and will it pass the test, the interview test, okay? So this is a sensational wig. It is called ANITA. It's an instant fashion wig. So this will be very quick and to the point because there's nothing extra we would have to do on our end, but just put it on there and probably play with it a little bit. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is how she looks, ANITA. And let's open her up and see what she's about. I did a pixie cut review before on one of my wigs. I call it my Nia Long wig. So if you haven't checked that out, I will have the link provided below. And this little clicky thing right here in the corner that y'all can click on. Ugh. Okay, so this is how it looks from outside of it. You can see it has little sectional little hairs. You know, you see it. Okay, so let's put it on. Let's see how many combs. One in the back and one in the front. And normally when I put these wigs on, when I first get them, they kind of ugly when you first put them on because they give you this grandma look. But you might have to play with it a little bit to get it exactly how you want it to get. Okay, so far I'm kind of loving it already. Like, it's not as bad as my last pixie that I had to play with a lot to get it to look like something. So that part is pretty easy. Okay. Booyah. What about this? Put your fingers through that thing. Fix it. Move it. You know, the 1, 2, 1, 2. I really like this so far. I really love short wigs, y'all. Like, I really want to cut my real hair. But for now, these little pixie cut wigs will do me just fine. Okay. So my nails is my comb right now. How we're looking in the back. I feel like Betty Bop with this one. No, I'm gonna leave the edges out right here on that one. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Betty Bop. That was easy. That was way easy. And I got this one in the color black. And I love it. Do y'all think this will approve for my interview test? Because it's just a short wig. Like, it's just short. Nothing crazy. Nothing too extravagant. You know? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what you think. If you are interested in this wig, I will have the details provided below. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. And we shall see. We shall see, honey child. I don't know. I don't know what else to say to y'all. I think this right here is good enough. Y'all get the point. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see this is the quick, real quick, sensational, one color pixie cut for the wind. I'm talking about wind. For the win. Okay? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if there's any other wig or any type of style that you would like to see me try next. I need ideas, guys. Let me know. Alright. I'll see you guys next time, and I'll let y'all know if duh, I'm gonna get the job because look at his personality, period. Don't play with me. But I'm gonna let y'all know if this wig passed the test for the interview. I think it will pass the interview because it's just a short pixie shortcut. It's nothing crazy, like I said, yeah. But anyway, I'll let y'all know. Y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all next time. Okay? Alright.